Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about crypto trading bots and how they work. If you're interested in automating your trading strategies, or just want to learn more about this exciting technology, then this video is for you. So, what exactly is a trading bot? Simply put, it's a computer program that uses advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to analyze market conditions and execute trades automatically. Trading bots can analyze vast amounts of data, such as price movements, order book depth, and trading volume, to make fast and accurate trading decisions. There are different types of trading bots available, each with its own unique set of features and advantages. Some bots are designed for market making, which means they provide liquidity to the market by placing buy and sell orders. Other bots are designed for arbitrage, which means they take advantage of price differences across different exchanges. And some bots are designed for trend following, which means they analyze market trends to identify profitable trading opportunities. But how do you choose the right trading bot for your needs? Well, it depends on your individual trading strategy and goals. Some bots require advanced technical knowledge to set up and configure, while others are more user-friendly and can be easily customized with a few clicks. It's important to note that trading bots are not a magic solution for guaranteed profits. They still require careful planning and monitoring to ensure that they're working properly and generating the desired results. And just like any other trading strategy, trading bots come with their own set of risks, such as technical glitches and market volatility. In conclusion, trading bots can be a powerful tool for automating your crypto trading strategies. They offer a range of advantages, such as speed, accuracy, and efficiency. However, they also come with their own set of challenges and risks. So, if you're considering using a trading bot, be sure to do your research, choose the right bot for your needs, and always practice good risk management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.